Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a factory-built 2015 Kenworth T800 glider kit to show you. It's built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10-speed, extended cab. It's only got about 37,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul, including head, turbo injectors on top of the overhaul kit. I've gotten it hot today. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow-by, oil pressure, and finish up with the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow-by looks fantastic. Body and paint on this one's in really good shape. Got a little snow from a couple days ago still left on there. Frame rails are in good shape. Engine's clean. Back of the cab's in really good shape. No dents or dings. Like I said, the frame rail's in good shape. Inside of the frame, it's really good. Matched virgin Firestones on the rear. Air slide fifth wheel. All aluminum wheels. Rust I see anywhere is a little bit on the top side of that rear end, which is not crazy. Excellent brakes. VIT interior. Interior is really clean. Extra gauges. Guys, I appreciate you watching this one. If you got questions, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. See total miles on this one, 984. Then your low side oil pressure is fantastic, which it should be. It's, you know, pretty recent on the overhaul. Now the temp has dropped a little bit since we started this, so that 40 will be a little bit less than that. It'll be down in the 30s on the low side. Super smooth to the RPMs. Your oil pressure jumps up like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on it, definitely hit me up. Let me know. Thanks.